this is my favorite tree, and it has those pink flowers I took pictures of on my Instagram. But the flowers are gone now, guys.
Was like for her was like coming out her shell.
Yeah, I already know that.
Like mingling with people. She don't want to. Smells like Astro Black.
Things on my pants.
That's crooked.
This look, he looks like the one bridge going to DC.